Well, today we got the 2001 Ford Escort ZX2, and we're putting new calipers, brakes, and rotors on it. So what we did is remove the wheel. Actually, first jacked it up, and I got jack stands on it. And we're now going to remove the caliper, which we can actually pull these guys out because they had some pins in it. We yanked them out. This is our trash bin. Got some nice trays here. And what we're going to do is take the top bolt here off, one down here off. They are 14 millimeter. Just use your hand as a mallet. Why we're replacing them today is because this bottom slider is solid. Tried to free it up, still won't. So, causing not the caliper to fail, the caliper slider, bushing, whatever in there. As you can see, that's how frozen it is. The top moves. New caliper right here. So good, except I don't want to sit in it correctly. Okay. We got this old caliper and we got the new one here, and I want to show you these little boots here. When we got them, they weren't installed correctly. It was just flopped inward, so it's not sealing it correctly. So you have to pop them all the way out. Cause see how you can pull them back, and they got that lip right there. I don't know if you can see that. The light. They were missing that little blip in there, because as a part of that rubber holds it, so these can slide back and forth without falling off. And what they did is, from the factory or whenever these got shipped or whatever, they got stuck together. They didn't move nicely all the way out. They did a weird movement in there and caused them to not be looking right. So luckily I caught that. A new caliper here with the new hardware. This is a 12 millimeter on here. And of course, I take it all apart and then try to loosen this. Let me get this bolt out. Do myself a favor. Come on. There we go. Get her loosed. Loosened. Definitely get this out. You try to do this as fast as you can. Get it out. Put that one off. Put a new one on it. Move it out. Put it up there. Where's the old pin? It's right there. Get that out. Put the new one on here. Make sure we're good and clean. Oop. And go figure it wants to move. I always look at these like they're always wrong. Come on, start. Some more rust off the rotor falls in there. Clean it up a little. Tighten it up a little. Do this little trick again. Might as well do that trick again. And then tighten her up. A hair that was installed with. Interesting. Take those back out. Now we're gonna get our new pads here, which are Red Stuff EB. See? Got a nice deal on them. Oh, duh. Might have a brain fart there, huh? That can hold itself. Was I hitting that? When my brother nicely gets the new one cleaned up, I will put some anti-seize all over. That. Put it everywhere. Brake dust, you shouldn't blow it. Oh wow. This stuff smells. You're not supposed to touch this either. So you wash your hands afterward. Put it everywhere. Bottle's $5. Make use of it. Because that came off pretty easy compared to sometimes. Gotta put this stuff on my truck. Just load it up all around it. Lay your finger up. It was shiny. That there. Get this one in first because of the little squealer. When you nail the brakes and you got too little of pad. Really clean screws. Stay there. Quit trying to run away. Get rid of old dirt on it. The shorter, there's two bolts, and the shorter one goes in the bottom, so you don't get mixed up. So I take our little pad. Ow. Pop it up. Get a little spreaders here. Yes, I use my fingers, my fist, as a hammer all the time. Toughens them up. Till I'm lazy. What's in there wrong? It's like, what the heck? And then this one. Come on. This one guy, push it up. What I'd like to do is, where that was a little hole, I'll line it up, and then they give you these little clips to put in here, keep them from falling out. And, there you go. All back together. Now you just have to get out a nice little wrench for this little guy here. Get yourself out your nice bottle. And you have somebody pump the brakes. Don't start it this time. I want to see what it'll do. Just pump them until it gets hard.
All the way down?
Is it all the way down?
Yep. Went further.
Pump it again.
Okay.
Hold it down.
Holding. Went further.
Pump it. What we're doing here is
Okay.
pumping the brakes until it's hard. Holding down, I release and get all the air out of it.
Went further.
And I keep watching until it clears. Pump it.
Okay.
Hold.
Holding. Went further.
Pump it.
Okay.
Hold down.
Holding. Went further.
Pump.
Okay.
Hold.
Holding. Went further.
Pump it.
Okay.
You can let go. Looks good. How's the pedal feel?
Feels nice and
Solid, right?
solid.
Good. I just gotta fire it up. We will. Test it out. Well, there you go. That's the installation of a caliper. Well, removal and installation of a caliper, brakes, and all hardware for a 2001 Ford Escort ZX2. This also takes care of Ford Escort. And if you have questions or comments, please post And click the like button if you like this kind of video and more. And subscribe. Click the subscribe button. It'd be great. Thank you. Have a good one.